Winning is everything. I want to be a winner. There's nothing wrong in being a winner. Winning is everything. But along with winning, how do we win is also everything. If winning is important, how do we win is even more important. In this video, I'm going to tell you why how we win is important. Hey folks, I am CSK and you're watching me on the CSK Speaks channel. As a personal coach, I keep interacting with a lot of people and everyone comes to me because they got to win. There's nothing wrong about winning. I keep telling them that you are already a winner. Why? Because you have decided that you got to win. As they say, once you know where you want to go, the journey is already half done. The rest is only in you traveling the distance. But then, why is winning so important for all of us? Because at the very root of the human nature, we want reward. We want recognition. We want to be ahead. And that's the history of evolution. We will leave that for another day, but let's stay on winning. Let's stay on winning and understand why winning is so important and why how we win is even more important. And for that, I got to take you to the world of sports. Of course, it's more timely than ever because we have the Olympics, the greatest sporting extravaganza of this humankind happening just around us at Tokyo. This is a story from an athletic track. And this is a story which happened between two runners. One, Abel Matai from Kenya, and the other one is Ivan Fernandez from Spain. So this was a running race which was going on. Abel Matai, a Kenyan, was ahead and he was almost certain to win the race, to cross over that finish line. Spanish runner Ivan Fernandez was behind him with a few yards. Abel Matai, a Kenyan, as I said, got confused just before the finish line. And when he looked at the signboard, he got confused and he believed that he has actually finished the race. So he abruptly stopped himself. Ivan, who was behind him, started nudging him, shouting in Spanish, saying, "Go on, continue, cross that finish line." But Abel could not understand the language. He was even more confused and perplexed. So he stood there looking around, and what Ivan did left everybody gasping for breath. Ivan pushed Abel and made him cross the finish line. He literally pushed Abel over the finish line, and as a result, Abel won that particular race and Ivan came second. Now, people at the stadium were euphoric. People at the stadium were confused, and people at the stadium were also furious for what Ivan did. So when they changed and came to the press conference, press were not interested to talk to Abel, but they were even more eager to catch hold of Ivan. Ivan came second, but he was the clear winner for that day. Why? Because the press were interested to ask, why did Ivan push Abel over the finish line? So they started off this. They asked the first question, why did you let him win? So Ivan said, I did not let him win. He was already winning. I just made sure he won. Press is not happy. So he said, but you pushed him over the finish line. Ivan said, Well, yes, I did push him over the finish line because I believe in a world where we push each other for success. I believe in a world where we can push each other happily and be together in that victory. Press is still not happy with all these philosophical answers. One gentleman from the press pool stood up and asked straight question to Ivan. But you could have won. You sacrificed your victory for his. What answer will you give to your countrymen? They expected you to back the gold, and here you are going back with the silver. Ivan looked at him with deep eyes and said, what honor is in that gold medal if I would have won knowing that Abel is the right man to win that medal? What will I tell to my countrymen when they question back and say that, is this the values which your country and your family has taught you? What will I explain to my mother when she asks me, how did I win this medal? Now the press pool became pin drop silence, because there was a great meaning in that answer what Ivan gave. Winning is important, no doubt about it, but how we win is even more important, considering the glory of the honor. Friends, this is a great story, and this is from yesteryears. But when I looked at the newspapers in the last month, I was wondering, no, that's wrong. Winning is just the only important thing. How we win does not really matter. Why do I say this? Because I read this piece of news article where chess.com created an exhibition match, a fundraiser and an awareness creation game between the big wigs of Indian celebrity industry. They had Vishwanathan Anand, the great grandmaster. They had Amir Khan, the Bollywood superstar. They had Ananya Birla from the business world. And they also had Nikhil Kamath from Zerodha, the co-founder of Zerodha. Now, as you all who would have followed that would have understood that Nikhil Kamath eventually wins by beating Vishwanathan Anand in the final game of chess. That created ripples on social media that Nikhil Kamath is not only a great successful businessman, but he is also a great chess master. He bet the all-time great Vishwanathan Anand. But that news was short-lived, because the next morning the news came out where chess.com had realized that Nikhil Kamath had cheated. So they banned him from chess.com, and Nikhil Kamath went on to do damage control. In his tweet, he very clearly said, well, it is ridiculous that anybody can think that I can overpower and beat Vishwanathan Anand. He's my legend and my hero. It was just that I had some help. I had some help. Really? I had some help is his way of accepting that he cheated. Now, I'm not worried about he cheating, and I'm not worried about he winning. What I'm worried about is not even Vishwanathan Anand losing. What I'm worried about is what is happening there is little beyond winning or losing. What's happening there for Nikhil Kamath, one of the most successful modern day entrepreneurs, to even indulge in getting some help is not because he's eager to win, is because how he wins does not really matter. Now that's the danger which I'm worried about. As the youth, as the young people who take such people as role models because they are extremely rich, extremely successful, extremely popular, and they have made millions in quick short time, please be careful. Let's all be careful with one fact, and the fact is this: winning is important, but how we win is equally important, if not more. What's happening there is that okay feeling to compromise on values. That okay feeling that this victory is more important than the means I take to become a victor. I think that's not done. That's not what our parents taught us. That's not what our teachers taught us. That's not what the society expects of us. The society expects us to be role models. They don't want leaders, they want role models. Because remember, at whatever age you are, there is a younger generation waiting to emulate you. There is a younger generation who is ready to walk in your footsteps. There are people in your family, in your own relative circles, in your own neighborhood who look at you as their hero. And if we send out this message loud and clear that winning is only the thing which matters and not how we win, I'm sorry, we are misguiding a whole generation. We are misguiding a lot of people around us. And I don't think we should do that, and I don't think you would want yourself to be on that side. Each one of us, you and me, are better than what we think we are. Each one of us can do better and hold that values and tell people loud and clear, winning is important, but how we win is equally important. So friends, look at your life. Look at the options in front of you. Look at the destination you want to go and tell yourself, I will get there no matter what. But I will not get there by compromising my values. I will not get there by taking a shortcut. I will not get there because just winning is important for me. No. Till next time, keep thinking of this. Winning is important, but how we win is equally important, if not more. Thank you for watching CSK Speaks. Do take care of yourself and stay safe.